Hello guys, I thought I'd do a review of this professional video light. Got it online. It's generic. I don't think it has a brand or something, but I just wanted you guys to check it out. It's for use with a camera. Comes with kind of different filaments. Yeah, you can see the features there. High power illumination, 160 LEDs, battery test button with 6 level indicators, variable dimmer control, adjustable mount tilt function. It has 3 filters. Yep, you can see the output, light, color, temperature, working distance 2 feet to 20 feet. It has a warranty of 1 year. Okay, for this one it has 2 options for charging, which is the first one, you can charge it using you can use 6 AA batteries, yeah, like this one's exactly. You can use like 6 AA batteries. You can see mine are here, 6 AA batteries. Or you can use an electric battery. How can I say it? A lithium ion battery, exactly. So yeah, you can see it. I haven't used it as much, but I think you can see it. I don't think it's too. Is it too dark? Yes, this is the mount. I hope you can see this. Yeah. And then there is the light itself. So let me just take it out. Oh yeah, here are the filters. You can see there are filters there. That one. I want to just bounce it out super fast. Yes, here's the light itself. This filter is removable, and you just pull it out. I can do it with one hand, but you can see the light, the off and on. You can see where you can put the batteries. You see there's the AA batteries. You see there's a mount. Now for this mount you can just mount it on a tripod like that. This is the mount screw. Where you screw the stand. Yeah, I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, it has the 6 level power indicator, so when you press this, it tells you the level of your charge batteries, power. Yeah, I think it's a very cool light. I'm gonna test it out, and you'll see my videos working on it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me at Instagram and Twitter at dv_miner_. Thanks.